Hello guys, welcome to Survival channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a New York cheesecake. It is really tasty, and it's not easy, but it takes a lot of time and a lot of hard work. And make sure you watch till the end if you want to see. As you can see, this is the result. It looks so good. And yeah, if you want to see more videos of me cooking and giving you helpful recipes, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share. Let's start cooking now. Okay guys, so now you're gonna add the biscuit or biscuit to a food presser. As you can see, the biscuit has nothing added to it, no chocolate, no salt, no anything. You're gonna add it to a food presser, and we're gonna show you what to do next. As you can see, it has to look like this. Now we're gonna add the melted butter. And you're gonna start to until it sticks together. Until it sticks together, as you can see, now it's sticking together. It's becoming like sand with like water. You can see guys, it became like sand instead of biscuit. Now we're gonna add it to a cheesecake container that is medium size, and as you can see, we put butter around it. We spread some butter. Now we're gonna add this mixture today. And now you're gonna start to spread it out like this. You can see it's completely flat. We're gonna add baking sheets around it. So now you're gonna cover it from under using aluminum sheets, because we're gonna put it in a tray that has water, so we don't want the water to enter it here. So this is best to cover it. For the final layer, you will need cheese, any kind of creamy cheese, Philadelphia, kiwi, any kind of creamy cheese. You need to take the cheese out of the fridge, and you leave it 1 hour outside, and it has to be the room temperature. You will need 600 grams. So it's basically, yeah. So I'm gonna open this. Guys, we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar. Now we're gonna put it to the mixing machine. Now guys, we're gonna start to mix. Now guys, we're gonna add sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can use yogurt with whipped cream, and they both have to be 150 grams. Now let's start adding it. Now I'm gonna measure it by here. 150. take that. I'm gonna add it here. Now I'm gonna start mixing it. Now guys, we're gonna add 3/4 of whipped cream again. And you're gonna start to mix. We're gonna add the eggs. You will add the egg by egg first, like we add the first egg. Now, then you start to mix. Guys, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, we're gonna start to mix. I'm gonna add vanilla. And you can start to mix. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add the cream to the biscuits. Biscuit, whatever you can call it. You're gonna add it carefully. I'm gonna add hot water, but it is faster than colder water. I'm gonna add it. Then you're gonna prepare the oven at 130 degrees, 180 degrees, and you're gonna put it in and leave it for 30 minutes. Then after the 30 minutes, you will change the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius, and you leave it for 50 to 40 minutes. Then you will turn off the oven, and you're gonna leave it inside the oven for 1 hour. After the 1 hour, you're gonna take it off, and you're gonna put it anywhere in the room, in the kitchen. You're gonna leave it until it's the room temperature. After it's cooler and the room temperature, you're gonna put it in the fridge, and you're gonna leave it for 12 hours. Now guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the strawberry syrup. You will need strawberries, of course. You put it in a pot. You'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar. And you add little lemon. You can take off the seeds that fell. You just add a little more because we took some more off. Now we're gonna start to mix. Now guys, you're gonna keep on. You will need a fork and you press on the strawberries so you can get the juice out. Guys, it has been 30 minutes and now we're gonna put it to 170 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna leave it for 40 to 50 minutes. We have reached the end of the video. As you can see, this is the result. It's worth it. The light can go up and everything. Make sure, but before I leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share. Bye bye.